And welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can hide your likes on a post. So it's pretty easy. So if you go onto your account over here, and I go into any post, let's say if I go on this post, and I go into the three dots over here, you can actually find something called hide like count. If I click on that, basically it's not going to show any the amount of likes that you have. It's this easy. Another thing is that once I'm going to show you how you can how also you can actually turn off the commenting and stuff. I can actually show you a different way. Is that while you're posting while you're posting your normal post, let's say if I go to take this photo and I click on next, okay, and I click on next, this is the editing and stuff. When you go into here and you go onto advanced settings, you can actually find something called turn off commenting, likes and views. You can actually click on hide likes and views on this post and turn off commenting. This is before you post the post. Now again, if you want to if you want also if you changed your mind and if you want the likes count to show, you can do is the same thing as I told you on any post. Go on the three dots, okay, and you can make it short, and you can actually make it high. You can make it appear again. So this is basically how you can hide your like count on Instagram. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.